Hi, I'm Purva and I'm back here with another delicious salad dressing for you guys. So we have one avocado. I'm using NutriBullet. You can use anything, whatever you have to make this dressing, and it is super healthy, yummy, and a great version of your mayo dressings, and specifically a great thing for kids if you want to introduce avocado to them to try them build that flavor and taste. And to this we are adding 1 cup of yogurt. This is plain low-fat Greek yogurt. You can even use the Indian style yogurt, whatever you like. To this we add 1 tablespoon of olive oil along with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for that extra zesty flavor. Now I'm adding mixed herbs to this. You can be flexible with it. You can use whatever you like. It's roughly 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs and salt and pepper as per your taste. So again, be flexible with that. Once we're going to mix all these ingredients in the jar, we're going to use the NutriBullet and whip them up for a few seconds. And you can use this dressing as a dip also with, with crackers. You could put it on your wraps. You could use it for salads. You can do a lot with it. Make a boomerang of this, maybe. And that's it. Your dip is ready. You can use it with anything. Trust me, it is so delicious. I'm having it with the multigrain rice cakes. I can taste the yogurt, I can taste the avocado, I can taste the herbs. Amazing. Go and try this and let me know how did you go. Bye-bye.